Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to send money with Western Union online. So the first step is to simply open the app, and then you'll have to simply tap on check rates. Then what you'll have to do is simply send money to, so you'll have to simply select the country where you want to send money to. Then what you have to do is simply enter the amount, so I'll send this amount here, 100. And then you're going to see how much they're going to receive, and then simply click on continue. Then here you have to simply choose the delivery method, and then what you have to do next is simply enter the receiver's information. So you'll have to enter their first name and last name, their email, as you can see this is optional, and the phone number. Then simply click on continue, and then they're going to generate this code here. So you're going to give them this code, the MTCN code, and basically with this code they can withdraw the money. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.